From automated sliding curtains to cameras that send you messages wherever you are, homeowners are turning to automated smart home solutions in a bid to save energy costs and improve security of their dwellings. Tonight on Tech One, we take a look at what this tech craze is all about.
For example, I have a system over here. The system is wireless.
Behold the world of an automated house.
And control the entire house from here.
From wireless cameras to spatial speakers and automated switches, these are the devices that are powering the house of the future, thanks to the concept of the Internet of Things, or IoTs.
So there is the lounge or the family room area, there is a kitchen area, and there is, of course, a bedroom on the other side. So different zones for lighting. But besides that, when we talk of a smart home, is an intelligent home whereby all your low voltage devices are speaking one language.
Kevin Nyota and Abubakar Swale from Audiovisual Control Systems show us how a typical home setup is controlled from a single point, such as your mobile phone.
It comes on, and I can also just put it off. There is a speaker here, so I can say, let's say, the music to come on. So it's just mimicking that there is an active thing that is going on. So it literally comes on. And now we go to lights themselves individually. So there is a floor lamp, which is this one here. It's here externally here. So if I say the lamp to come on, it comes on. But I can also dim it. So right now it's 100%. I can dim it to, let's say, that is 20%. Yeah. Besides that, I can also, let me just put it 100%, and I can change the color temperature on it. Right now is warm white. I can switch to daylight, and then the color changes.
As much as they are connected to the same circuit, I can control one fitting at a time. So if, say that, and I just want to control this particular fitting over here. So all I do is just turn this on. So this one, it will be on. And then if I want to increase the intensity, I will increase the intensity.
Consumers who have used this technology speak of savings and convenience and what the government could do to make such systems available for Kenyans from all backgrounds.
Maybe to make the business environment better, the issue of taxes, if they could be looked at, because a lot of people or a lot of things become expensive when there is a lot of taxes that accumulate to that. So the government could help in that way.
Technology's contribution to the country's gross domestic product grew by an average of 9.9% in 2022, making it the second fastest growing sector after the hospitality industry. The Internet of Things is taking the world by storm, and Kenya is not being left behind, with audiovisual systems totally automated coming devolved into your household like this one. Alanauko, Tech One.